Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another ink installation video. Today I've got the Epson EcoTank 2720 and we are going to be installing the 522 or 502 ink bottles. The 502 is what you can actually buy on the market and they are compatible with this printer. So I'm going to be installing each one of these ink bottles into the printer, the ink compartment here, and showing you exactly how you do that. So you'll see me do this with each color, and when you are installing the black, all you're doing is matching up what is on there on the printer for the ink compartment. You're matching it up with the ink bottle and you are placing it upside down so that the ink drips in there. Now if you notice there, black and cyan, you are able to fill those both up at the same time, which gives you that advantage if you're wanting to fill it up really quickly and you're setting up and you want to get going. Those two, you're able to actually place them together. Now, one thing you don't want to do with these ink bottles is, squeeze them and try to get the ink out quicker. That doesn't work. Or at the end, trying to squeeze every last drop. All the ink that is in there is going to end up in that ink compartment. And you can see on the bottom there, in the ink tank, that when it's filled up. So this is pretty much already done. It's filled up, and it'll indicate that once you look down there and take a look for yourself. Okay, so once you're done, I would really just put the cap back on it and toss the bottle. That's really all there is to it for that. And then once you are done here with the black and cyan, you are then going to move into, of course, the yellow and magenta. So this ink compartment, this ink tank on the top there, it's very secure with these blue latches that are latching on and off, and they are really very efficient protecting your ink from any outside dust or anything. I've seen some eco tanks that don't have this, and this is a big plus. So just like that, you saw that there, and you can kind of see there what happens if you lift it up and while it's the ink is being transferred from the bottle to the printer. A little bit of ink comes out, so it's not a big deal. This is really an efficient way to do this. So really all you're doing here is each color, each bottle, just waiting patiently for the bottle to completely fill up that ink tank. Now if you needed some brand new Epson ink and you wanted to get it quickly, you can sign up for Amazon Prime. There's a 30-day free trial and you can buy yourself some brand new Epson 522, and actually on the market it's a 502 ink that is compatible with this printer. I'll also leave a link in the description below for this printer. So all of that information is down there for you to take advantage of. So as you see there, I'm checking the ink compartment once again, and looks like magenta is completely filled up. And at this point, it's finished, and I'm going to now install the final yellow ink bottle. Sorry if I've called them cartridges. I am getting used to the bottles. Ink cartridges, I mean, we've lived with those for years now, but now it's new ink bottles which are giving you a way higher yield. At least that's what Epson is claiming. But I do have one recommendation, and that is not to let your ink levels get too low. Always have a extra set of ink bottles, because if it runs too low, you can end up having an issue. So that's just some maintenance advice there, but make sure to visit my website, bestprinterstech.com. Check out my channel, subscribe. I have a lot of videos like this, or printer reviews, printer repair, and then how to install ink, as well as the print quality on this printer. There's a video of that on my channel. So make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions about this process at all, go ahead and comment below. And then if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's all I have for today, and until next time.